Hey guys, welcome to my Plan With Me April. I finally decided to do a voiceover after so long. So for April, I decided to keep it simple. I kept my April BUJO for 2018 in a plant theme minimalistic form. So I decided to retain it for this year too. As usual, I put my important dates and goals on the month starter, followed by my homework tracker and grade tracker. Since this month is a plant theme, I used potted cactuses as my subject header icon and a thick black marker to write the subject titles. I separated each tracker into 6 sections, 5 for each subject and 1 for the pictures I will glue on later. Next, I did my mood tracker and reused my brain dump template from January. For my mood tracker, I decided to use plants to present my mood. Shout out to one of my best friends for inspiring the plant theme mood tracker. I used a mix of flowers, cactuses, jar plants, and potted plants to represent different moods. I guess for me, drawing and doodling plants is kind of a way for me to relieve my stress. So I guess it really helps me when I'm doing my mood tracker. For my weekly journal, I decided not to put a calendar in my planner for every week, so I can have more space to put other stuff. I decided to summarize a week using just the dates. Next, I used my black marker to make daily headers and separated one page into 5 sections for the weekdays and 2 sections for the weekend. My weekly planner was actually inspired by a fellow Pinterest Bujo artist. Based off my inspiration, I used a green highlighter to doodle plants. Followed by using a marker to write the dates and a pen to write the month, since in the last week of April it enters into May. After doing so, I wrote a section header for my habit tracker and for my next week planner. I decided to do a grid method for my habit tracker. First, I write the habit on top of the grid, and then I redraw the grid using a black pen, then color the grid whenever I accomplish the habit. I repeated it for the next 5 weeks of April, changing only the last 5 days of the last week to May. Lastly, I decided to do my usual picture collaging. Since it's a plant-based theme, I decided to use plant-based or green-inspired pictures. All of my photos are from Pinterest. For my header, I decided to use a long picture of some succulents and align it to the size of the page. Then, I glue it down, snip off the excess, and then glue it down again to ensure it stays. For the remaining pages, I repeated the picture collaging. For each section of my monthly planner, I tried to use pictures that somewhat represents them. Studies have shown that looking at plants can increase brain performance and encourage creativity. It is also proven to be able to improve mental health. Though what I'm doing is just pictures, I hope this month's bullet journal is able to help me with my studies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this month's plan with me. Credits to Pinterest and YouTube for providing me with inspiration. Links to my bullet journal, materials, music and inspiration will be in the caption. Thank you once again for watching.